Okay, you guys, today we're gonna make a face cleanser, face mask with a grapefruit. I'm going to use grapefruit today as a facial cleanser and just show you how awesome it is. And if I haven't introduced myself, it is your girl, gerisfinest. You deserve the finest, no less. Let's get to this.
You'll need a blender, some honey, 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon, and some oatmeal. Okay, first you want to put in your blender a 1/2 cup of oatmeal. Then you want to go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of honey. I would recommend Manuka honey if you could. Then you want to go ahead and cut the grapefruit in half. And I will pick out the seeds if I can, whatever you can see. I recommend that you squeeze it off into something first. I'm just going to go ahead and use my measuring glass. Squeeze half of the lemon first. And then you want to put that half that you've squeezed out into the blender. But strain it first. There you go. Now you want to take the lemon, squeeze it also into something. And that's just so you don't have the seeds squeezing right into your face mask. And we're also going to strain the lemon as well. Strain it. Now you want to do a quick blend. Make sure that there's not honey still left in your measuring spoon. If so, just use your finger and scoop it off in there. Alright, and as you can see, it's blowing around because we have half of a grapefruit left to put in there. But I just wanted you to give it a quick little blend. If you have alrighty, now squeeze that as well. This time I want you to strain it because as you can see, there's a few seeds. This last half, I want you to cut some of the inside of the grapefruit out because there's so much nutrients in the grapefruit skin. We want to put a little of that into the face mask as well. Now it should blend just fine for you. Blend that all up until it's nice and smooth. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Leave me any comments below if you've made one of these before. Go ahead and take something, if you have it, and just scoop around the edges of the blender. And you see it's getting very smooth. It is ready. Take a little glass bowl or whatever you have and just pour it in there. And you see the consistency of it? That is how you want your mixture to look. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Voila.
Alright, you guys. I am back and we have our little mixture that we made. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. We want to go ahead and apply it until it dries. Okay. So you can see the type of consistency that I have here. Make sure you have this kind of sticky consistency. Yeah, okay. So if it's not like soft, then you want to go back and mix it a little bit more, okay? So let's go ahead and get this going. Did you think I had makeup on? No. I didn't wash my face, you guys, because I'm not wearing makeup today. So if you're wearing makeup, make sure that you have your face cleaned. Like, I know my eyebrows is hitting a little bit, but otherwise, other than that, I don't have makeup on today. So make sure that your face is clean. I'm dropping a few pieces.
Okay, let's talk about the benefits of grapefruit and what is grapefruit really, other than a fruit that some people eat and some don't. Grapefruit is high in antioxidants, which fight the free radicals that cause wrinkles, discoloration, and dull complexion. Did you know grapefruit in particular is recently become a key ingredient in most skincare products and a staple in many skincare routines for those desiring an even radiant complexion? As your face dries, just chill, have some snacks. At least that's what I'm doing. Relax, because it needs to dry, honey.
All right, you guys, as you can see, it is dry. It kind of feels like a hard face mask. All right, I'm getting ready to wash my face. Let's see how that goes. Alrighty, let's wash it off. Let's see how that'll go. I definitely think you want to make sure your face is really wet, because it's sticking on there like a real hard mask. But as you can see, it's not that hard. It's not as hard as it looks.
It is actually really, really soft. Wow.
It's not as hard as it looks. It rubs right off.
Grapefruit is excellent for brightening the skin. It is so awesome for anti-aging. Yes, honey, I am going to look younger. Yes, and very great at deep cleansing. Deep cleansing. As you remember, we added a half a cup of oatmeal. So I just wanted to let you know that oatmeal is also antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and it helps treat acne and soaks up excess oil. And also consider a natural cleanser. It removes dirt and oil that clogs the pores and exfoliates the skin. Yes, oatmeal. So those two together, a force.
All right, you guys, there you have it.
A grapefruit and
oatmeal mask. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below how it's working for you. My face feels so soft. I love this mask. I have a little bit left over, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It should be able to last at least up to 1 week, you guys. And wow, it's amazing. My face is like baby soft. And I was thinking maybe I should add some brown sugar to help soften my face, like, you know, like a scrub, but it really does not need that at all. It's not needed. And it was so good. I love it. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and if you like it. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. Please don't forget, I am posting twice a week, my Lock Tip Tuesday, and then sometime in the week, usually Thursdays, I post another video. But at least by Sunday, I will have that second video posted, usually about health or skin. I'm thinking about doing a series on just different types of vitamins and benefits of fruit and vitamins, like carrots. What specific nutrients do they provide? So let me know if that's something you're also interested in. Please like and subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Jetty.